Most drummers learn paradiddles but never end up sounding musical with them. Let's fix that. In this lesson, we're going to explore how organization can help shape ideas as simple as a paradiddle into awesome and musical drum fills and drum solos. After watching this video, you will be able to transform your paradiddles from sounding stiff and mechanical like this to free-flowing musical ideas like this. We are going to borrow the first two accents of a paradiddle grid. Now, if you don't know what that is, pause this video and check out my step-by-step tutorial on the paradiddle grid here or here. Not sure where it's going to go. Then after watching that video, come back and finish this video. The point of this lesson is to take simple ideas and organize them into phrases. So when we accent the very first note of our paradiddle, we're going to call that example A. And then when we accent the second note of the paradiddle, we're going to call that example B. Now, I've organized A and B into four simple phrases. Each letter is just going to represent one beat, so we're going to do 16th notes. So each phrase here is going to take up one measure. All right, I'm going to jump onto the kit. We're going to start on the snare drum only. For our first phrase, we're going to play A, 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 B. I'm going to go with my metronome at quarter note 84. And play along with me if you want, all on the snare drum. And you're going to see how organizing these simple accent patterns into a very simple short phrase transforms them into a super musical idea. See what I mean? It's so cool. Just a simple organization, and now you have a very clearly articulated musical phrase to build off of. So now the next step is we're going to take each of those accents and explore putting them all over the drum set. Same tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's hear what that sounds like a little bit faster. I'm going to go with quarter note 144. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now that we got the hang of it, let's go over our second phrase. This time we're going to go A, B, B, B. Same thing, we're going to start slow at 84 beats per minute on our snare drum, improvise it, and then speed up the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take this phrase and improvise the accents around the drum set. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's speed up the tempo to 144. All right, moving on, we're going to go to phrase number 3. This one's going to be A, A, B, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you know the drill at this point. We're going to take that and move the accents around the drum set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster! 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're going to get to our last phrase. This one we're going to play A, B, B, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take phrase number 4 and improvise around the drum set. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's improvise phrase number 4 at full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we organize our ideas like this and put them into phrases, we take really simple rudiments and really make them come to life and give them so much character. And then when you start to explore and move around the kit and use different orchestrations, you have so many possibilities and you can never get bored practicing your paradiddles. I hope this lesson helps you practice in a little more creative and musical way and helps develop your own vocabulary that you can use in the real world, whether it be drum fills or drum solos. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much.